Hello, Alex Lafkus here. Back out streamer fishing this winter. My client Curt was nice enough to allow me to run the cameras again today. He's not my only client. I know it feels that way. But if he was, he would have to book a lot more days. But he is one of my only clients who is smart enough to look at the weather and say, hey, what about this day? And he usually picks a pretty good day, and his schedule allows for it, which might be the biggest factor in that. So we're just out here pitching streamers again, middle of winter. We're kind of got a little less ice and snow to deal with, which is nice, so we can actually like get into boat ramps without dying and stuff. We'll see what happens. Another 10 to 2 4-hour winter deal, and just grind it out and see. So hopefully we'll catch some fish. We're doing the black and purple deal, and maybe it's just black, whatever. It's black, it's a leech. But we'll see. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hopefully we catch some fish. Oh, was that a flash?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, did get it. Yep. Yep. I was like, man, I swore I saw something there. Yeah. I saw that thing flash and was like, what the hell was that? Well, he's gator rolling you to all hell, isn't he? Yeah. Well, that's all right. Okay, well, that'll do. There we go. There's a nice one. No. 20-some incher though. Here, I'll get him. I'll deal with him. Yeah, teener. Upper teen, yep.
But look how fat they are up here.
Yeah, I know. It's just like, that's exactly what we're saying. Like, oh, come on. I hate when they do that shit, man. All right, there. Oh, wait.
Thank you.
Yeah, good work. I couldn't tell if I saw a boat behind us in that straightaway or not. I know. But one thing I will say.
He flashed at him, but he came back.
Oh, about 4 times. See, and that's what was not happening downriver. You'd see one flash and it was like, that's it, gone. And it's like, no, that's not how they're supposed to behave. Not this time of year. They move. Oh my God.
How'd that net do?
Great. Hook proof. That's why I bought it. Hook proof net. Jeez. Good. But that's completely the response.
We thought we would get.
Well, and that's what I didn't see downriver. It was like, ooh, where is he? Oh, there. Oh, got him. Sweet. One in the boat. Ooh, we got to catch that one rust move the other day too. Above that scenic overlook off that wood. Catch that today. Ooh, did you? Oh. Wait. Pause. Is he coming back? I thought I saw something move there. Just let it hang. Wiggle. Just keep it there.
I thought he had it.
Yeah. Yeah, he slid right. I thought I saw something shoot over the sand there real quick, and then he grabbed it. You heard me kind of start piping up, didn't you?
He didn't hit. I didn't feel him. I thought I had a pretty good hook set too. Maybe I should have waited, huh?
Yeah. Just try to pull on the line, and if he's not there, he'll still come back to it. You know, once you jerk that rod, you move it too far that they don't come back on it. If you just give it a little strip set and then go to your rod, then you know, like, if he's not there on that first pull, it's still in the area and he's looking for it. But hell, maybe there's a 26 down here that wants to bite, and you just avoided the small one to not pick up this one. You know, and that's what I would guess. Your thoughts? Maybe, maybe not.
God damn, I hope we don't run into Jack. I'm not gonna talk to that fucker.
No. I'm afraid I'll say something that, like, "Jeez, dude, you afraid those fish are gonna fucking eat without you fucking having a hook in it?" I've been down here 3 days this fucking winter. Post-spawn. 4, I guess, because Christian and I came one day. So 4 days. And I think he's been here about 10, 12. Oh, God damn. Was that a big one? Hang on. Where is he? Wasn't a big one, though?
No, I saw it.
Okay. That's where the big one used to come from. It was like right up in there.
Actually, 15, 16.
No kidding. That's where the big one used to come from, was right there. That's why I got all fucking giddy. Used to come, see how there's like a little pit there and shit?
Yeah.
And there's like a spring that comes in somewhere right in here. Well, it used to. Probably bone dry these days.
I got a good look at that one.
Oh, there he is. Not here. Oh, there went a big one out of the middle of the river. Okay, yep. There was a bigger fish sitting out here.
Was there?
Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this one was a little big.
What's that?
Not real big.
No, I'm just gonna drop anchor here, and if he comes off, oh well. And if he comes off, oh well.
Oh well.
Yeah, we caught him anyway. Yeah. Oh yeah, whatever. Teener-ish. Oh yeah. Oh, I fucking hand line him. You know, there was a bigger one out more in the center there. Another fat one though. Oh, leech on its belly too. With a leech on its belly. Yeah, there was one sitting out here that, I don't know if it was 2 foot, but it was definitely,
Changing my pouch.
yep. Yeah, that one was definitely not letting the meal pass. I mean, he only came to it 4 or 5 times. Oh, oh, ooh, that was a decent one too. That's all right. You thought you were snagged. You just weren't.
It was about the same size as that other
Yep,
one.
yep, that's what I thought I saw. 18, 20, whatever. Well, that ain't gonna break our heart. Now the big one should be down here though, right?
Yep. All this good shit that we fished, we haven't done shit like that lately.
No.
I don't mean just here, I mean,
Oh yeah. No, all these pockets and shit? No.
Yeah.
No. 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 Oh, there he was. Yep, yep, yep. Where is he? Is he looking? Is he looking? Throw it back up there.
he's right there.
Is he? Is he still looking?
Yep.
Drop it.
Gone now.
Ooh, okay, there's a 20-incher. All we had to do is complain about that type of spot. That was a 20-incher, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That's cool. Exactly in the we hadn't been seeing them in. We just had to complain more. Right?
It was fun to see him.
Oh yeah.
He didn't bite though. He was looking though.
Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, yeah. Or I'll take you way right. Yeah, there's some over there. Hang on. There's used to be a great big in here. There. Yep. Let's go try over there, Kurt. What do you think about that? Oh, no. Oh, well. Whatever. Who cares? Oh, there he was. Hiding right over there. Another one of them 18, 20 inchers, wasn't it? Oh, well. Right off that tree, wasn't it? Well, whip another one over there, and then we'll go see if we can't find a big one downstream.
You like that?
Oh boy. Well, if they were in puppy heaven, they're like, oh my God, we opened this package and it's food.
That's funny.
Oh yeah. He's been destroying some shit. All the new ones do.
Well, he's happy.
Mm-hmm. Oh, he'll be fine. Yeah. Ooh.
Oh, see that one?
No. Good one.
Well, there was 20, 22.
I was gonna say, there's big ones in here. Just gonna say that. We got a 25 here long.
He didn't get it.
I'm just not sure. I don't think there's the number of big fish down here as there used to be.
Well, I don't think so either.
I think fishing pressure's got them a little. I don't, I don't know if they reach their. Oh, big one! Get him! Man, that one swam from a million miles away to get that. That's a better fish. It just choked that damn thing. What's he doing? Take your time. Oh, he just wants to hang. Oh, yeah. Yep. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh, no. Yep. There you go. Yep. There. Oh, goodness gracious. That's a nice one, man.
Oh.
That thing swam from 100 yards away to kill that thing.
Like, what the fuck?
Nice one. Leech on him. Hell of a good fish.
Good one. Still a nice fish.
Yep, big-headed male. Not a bad day of winter streamer fishing. I think we ended up with, I don't know, 3 or 4, something like that. I'll know when I look back at the footage, but I think we moved 7 or 8, 9, something like that. Had a couple opportunities at some fish we could have got. Didn't really see the top end. I think we got probably the best fish we moved. Might have moved another one in that same 22-inch range. This was the first day of the winter that I've seen leeches on fish, which tells you that it's winter fishing. Black was the color. We started with it and never changed. So I guess that's good to not have to worry about it. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Gonna try to stay at it as long as I can. Like, subscribe, all that stuff is great. I appreciate all the feedback too. Any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and we'll go from there. Thanks, guys.